Hey guys, ngayon ay baka akala nila
alam na, alam mo. Guys, ready na guys. Ready. Start na. Go paddleboarding. Naka-start na din. Ready na sila.
We don't understand your answer.
Stop.
No.
Stop recording. Stop.
Hoy, huwag kang makulit.
Sabihin mo muna. Start recording.
Kill this person. Kita pala namin ka. Kita? Kita, ah. Bad. Shit, ang ganda. Ayan ah.
Ayoko mapasama na.
JB. Say hi guys. Te, saan ka napunta te?
Ito yan ah. Oh, grabe naman yan, grabe yan. Oh. Wait lang video to, wait lang. Wait lang.
Kita mo sa akin yun ha, ilagay sa vlog yan.
Yung makakakit.
Kaya mo yun, malapit na eh. Kunti na lang eh.
Bigay mo kay RM. Bigay mo kay Chocolate.
Be! Beno! We're gonna get some breakfast.
Sorry.
That was good. Oh, actually, this one looks good. Oh, cheesecake. They're gluten-free. Even look at the brownie orange. DM, bitches.
Beaches!
Guys, ito na ang bagong Michael.
Michael G.
Michael C. Be, isang paut naman dyan, be. Makatabi, malamig man o mainit ang gabi. Sarap-sarap lang.
O yan, mag-jump kayo, mag-lagay ng Spotify.
More energy.
Naka-wifi mo.
I'll buy a drone next time. So next year.
You know, Emote na emote to. Picturean nyo na siya.
Hindi na nakuha ng jump shot, nakita mo.
Yung gusto niya?
Really? Hindi nga niya gusto ng Dubai.
So guys, we are gonna choose which country we're gonna go to next. So we each have a paper, and then each of us are gonna write down which country we're gonna go to next year.
Okay,
Oh,
write
ikaw naman,
down
JB.
now.
Yun naman.
Where are we going next
Hindi
year?
naman, JB, explain.
Yeah. Where are we going next year? So excited. Ako naman tayo maglalagay, guys.
Rich people!
Philippines! Ay, naglagay na si ano.
May pizza ha?
We are not going to Santa Cruz Cruise. Okay, ready? Santa Cruz. We are not going to.
Yes, we're going to Philippines!
Oh my God!
Japan!
We are not going to Japan next year.
Philippines na lang yung nagkakaroon!
But we are not going to.
We are not going to.
We are not going to what? Oh, we're not going to. So the last one, and the decision is.
We are going to!
We are going to. We are going to. Our trip next year would be. Okay, we will be going next year, guys. Okay. Good option. Good option. Good option. Okay.
Akala ko yung unang napulot na South of France. Akin.
Yan! Apat! Yan! Wala ka ng mukha ko yung gamit. Yan. Oh, sige. Tres lang, tres. Paano, Jess? Napakalakas ng ulan, hindi na kami makagala. So, as a remedy, dahil wala kaming dalampayan, Avengers Assemble.
Sabi ko yung naka-raincoat sa mga pulubi ito mga
My friends are wearing trash bags because we don't have any umbrellas or ponchos and it's raining in Barcelona.
nakikita mo yung likod mo parang may naglalakad ng bus.
Bidyan mo kami. Ay!
Tumalikod ka lang.
Hi vloggies! Punta kami ngayon sa Zara kasi ang dami namin pera para gumastos.
Ay, ang cute. Mas cute yun.
Wait lang guys. Kasi meron lang tayo. Para
Guys, bubuduli namin si Pat. Pat, yan naman to. Extra day in Madrid. There's a experience the sound.
Yeah, sumayaw ka.
Pak.
Pak. Ayun pati yung sinabi ko sa'yo. Diyan yan si Mama Mary. Silipin mo lang. Bilisan mo. Pagka pasok mo,
May iwan na tayo. Andiyan sila, oh. Pagdasal nyo na lang ako kay Mama Mary.
pinagdasal ko naman kayo.
Ayan, sige. Thank you.
Matapang. Yummy mo na rin.
Nakaligo ka ba na?
Kami dalawa. Sorry. Ikaw.
Kaya pa ba?
Yes.
So Above Us Below. Alam mo yung movie na yun.
Oo, ayoko yun. Doon ako pinaka natakot.
Sa ano?
Yung bago paglabas niya, friends na.
What? It's not how the movie.
Diba? Did you watch that movie?
Nick,
Did you, Nick? So, like,
he's having a statement. Let him drive later. So he doesn't have a stiff neck anymore.
I think I'm going to be plenty awake going forward.
Yeah, good. So you can drive.
Until Harvey will know how to drive.
No, I can't.
Sa Camino Shoes, sponsored by Camino del Rey.
Toong hiking pala to. Kala ko kitsi-kitsi lang.
Ano siya hiking mo pababa tayo?
So like I was saying before to some of you, everything here goes around the water. That's the very same reason that we are here today. Why? Because in South Spain we don't have that many. When it rains, it usually rains all at once.
Di ba napagod tayo nung ano? Akala ko naman photo spot lang to. Di ba ito yung sinadjust ko, Diana? Ay, ikaw ba to? Ano yung may picture na ano? Yung sa parang cliff. Ito yon? Ah, iba pa ba yun? Mali yung plano mo, be. So, ayan. To add up lang dun sa mga discussion kanina. Actually, wala akong natandaan.
Sinabi mo lang din?
Yeah, yun nga. Yung sinabi ko lang din kanina na kaya nga ito pinangalan ng El Caminito del Rey dahil nga nilakaran siya ni King Alfonso XIII noong 1900s. Yun ang mali.
Tamang hike lang, nakaparga. Aesthetic na.
Cute nga eh. Hindi ko nakikita yung nilalakad.
Sa pakilig niya na.
Maganda dito. patingin ang picture ko.
Abajo vas a poder ver la primera aparición de este.
Hindi na mailiit kasi bago nakakapang naman ako.
Guys, kawawa naman yung kaibigan ko, nadulas po siya. Ako lang. Ang sakit, may nangyari.
May nangyayari! Hindi, alam mo yung mas masakit?
Ano?
Yung may nakakita sa restaurant ko. Bago tinanong niya ako kung okay lang ako.
Hey! Welcome to your vlog!
Just picture mo nga ako dito. Pagaling mo.
Guys, sa mas, dito kayo dito bumili kayo ng El Camino shoes.
This one.
Banda. Mas mataas yun sa saka mas stiff. Kita no? Alam mo yung ano yung pat, yung ganyan yung itsura na sikat na tourist spot din. Kaya nyo na yan, Ben. Ayan no, yung basta, mamaya search ko pag dito wifi ako. Yung ang sabi lang na may kuha na ka lang, hindi naman sabi. Ganda. Doon na naman ako sa hagdanan ha. Kumapit ka kasi. Nakakapit na ako.
Oh, okay. You drink him?
Wait na.
Flowers. Yeah, over there. Wonderful. More people joining the peak?
No.
Those kids were walking. Those kids were walking.
Well, baby. Ay, tapos na! Yan yung dinaanan natin kanina, di ba?
Iyuko ko konti, Miss Heart ah. Para kita kayo.
Doon rin sa GoPro niya.
Awa naman kayo.
Kaway-kaway muna kayo. Picture ba?
Oh, okay na. Video na. Alright, let's
Kasi
go.
tayo tumalon kanina, tayo dito ganyan ba?
Ba yan?
Ready? On 3.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Super big!
Sa'yo pala tong may
What did you guys get? You got chicken?
Kanya, sa akin to. Sa akin yung ni Diana, yung chicken nuggets niya guys na may ano yun pa?
Camembert.
Hey, real quick, do you guys see what JV did?
Wow.
You see? You see it?
Can I see?
Hold on, I'm gonna show you guys in a second.
What?
Right? Here, look. Can you see what she did?
The bite?
There's 2 different bites. She just bit one on one side and then one on the complete opposite side.
Ang suot mo dun ba?
Yeah.
You're like a king.
Okay na ba?
Ulo! Kasi nakakawin ng libreng stop.
Essential nga siya. Souvenir.
Souvenir. Ano nakalagay? Ready na si Jess, guys. Practice na sa parang inip niya.
Oh, it's not a towel.
It's barely a towel. They didn't
Beach
sponsor it.
latag.
They didn't sponsor it.
For 1 year. Or 1 euro.
It's not a sponsorship.
It's just be naked. Yeah, you guys can take care.
Seems easier.
Go Bang, go JV, be naked.
Go JV.
No, sorry.
Ian had to pay for it.
Sorry, that's right. I just touched it. Get back up, get back up.
Lagi ka may pau.
Hit it. Hit it. I tried this thing.
It wasn't working. I can't. At least not a